Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bolti Books with Anjali. Today's activity is reading comprehension. Let's start reading. We all know deserts are places that receive very little water, are extremely dry, and have little vegetation. Deserts with cold climatic conditions are called cold deserts. The cold deserts are found in polar regions where very little rainfall occurs. These are also known as polar deserts. These deserts get warm for a very short summer months but experience winters most of the year. Snowfall is common here. Now answer these questions. Question: where are cold deserts commonly found? Polar regions, equatorial regions, coastal regions, tropical regions. Answer is polar regions. What is another name for cold deserts? Tropical deserts, rainy deserts, polar deserts, hot deserts. The another name for cold deserts is polar deserts. Let's read further. Cold deserts are found in the temperate region at higher latitudes. In India, a cold desert is found in the Himalayas, like Ladakh. It lies in the greater Himalayas. Burning hot sunlight and freezing winds are the most common types of weather conditions seen here. The average temperature here ranges from -2 degrees to 4 degrees in winters and 21 degrees to 26 degrees during summers. Plants and animals have to adapt to the prevailing dry conditions to survive. Let's check what we have understood. What is the average temperature range in Ladakh during winters? A. -10 to 0 degrees, B. -2 to 4 degrees, C. 0 to 10 degrees, D. 5 to 15 degrees. Answer is -2 to 4 degrees. Let's read further. The trees have needle-shaped leaves with a wax coating to reduce water loss. Many plants have soft, succulent stems that can store water inside them. Animals commonly found in cold deserts are foxes, leopards, lizards, etc. Animals survive by living under the ground or resting in caves. Some animals are nocturnal, that is, they sleep during the day and hunt at night. Some animals live at the boundary of the desert where more plants and shelter are available. Now answer a few questions. How do trees in cold deserts adapt to the dry condition? A. Needle-shaped leaves with a wax coating. B. Broad leaves. C. Tasty fruits. D. No leaves. Answer is needle-shaped leaves with a wax coating. Which of the following animals are commonly found in cold deserts? A. Elephants and lions. B. Kangaroos and koalas. C. Foxes and leopards. D. Penguins and seals. Answer is foxes and leopards. What is the term used for animals that sleep during the day and hunt at night? A. Diurnal. B. Nocturnal. C. Crepuscular. D. Arboreal. The answer is nocturnal. Let's give few short answers and check our understanding. The questions are: tell one special feature of leaves and stems in desert plants. How do animals survive in deserts? Where is a cold desert found in India? Why do animals live at the boundary of the deserts? Tell one special feature of leaves and stems in desert plants. Desert plants have needle-shaped leaves and their stems are soft, succulent and can store water. How do animals survive in deserts? Different animals adopt different ways to survive in a desert. Some live under the ground while some come out only at night. Where is a cold desert found in India? The cold desert of India is Ladakh. It is found in the Himalayas. Why do animals live at the boundary of the deserts? More food and shelter are available at the boundary of the desert. Hence, some animals live there.
Hope you liked this video and found it useful in learning English. Please share it and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.
Thank you.